Expedition adds clever new layouts, and the budget-beating Expedition 54, while V-Line SE and Sport gain improved storage and panel view as standard. Adventure continues with updated upholstery and ovens, while Excel and F-Line benefit from modernised design and clever options. The Marlin has been completely reimagined with a French low-profile shape, new bathroom, and flexible drop-down bed options. At the top end, the Frontier and Grand Frontier deliver luxury touches with indigo finishes, quilted seating, and redesigned bathrooms. Together, these innovations ensure every AutoTrail offers more comfort, technology, and value than ever before. Did you know we've got some fantastic show offers running at the show?
Here is a pop-up.
You've been thinking about upgrading your vinyl first camper van or AutoTrail. We've pulled out all the stock this year with exclusive savings, free tech upgrades, and premium packs available only during the AOC show. So what's in it? If you've been eyeing the Expedition van range, you'll love this.
Here it is made of carton. Closes here like this.
Between £1,250 cash back or a £1,250 discount, whichever suits you best. Step up to the Expedition coach road and look
Very beautiful camper. Oh, that's a nice one. I like it that it is a camper, not a van, with a pop-up bed. Here is a sink. Big cooking area here. UK people love to cook. I see, from what I can see. Even microwave to the campers. Beautiful cabins. Good quality as far as I can see. Really nice.
Unlike traditional lead-acid batteries, it delivers up to 5,000 life cycles. And a 7-year warranty, meaning more energy, less maintenance.
It's a good space. Window, cabin in the back. Okay, really nice.
And designed to vary extreme temperatures from -20°C to 60°C, making it perfect for year-round adventures. In short, this is reliable, intelligent power that keeps you going wherever the road leads, charging faster, going further, and allowing you to travel with confidence. Have you heard about AutoTrail Advance? AutoTrail Advance is a flexible finance solution created in partnership with Black Horse Finance. Advance brings the freedom to explore and show everything within your reach. And unique personal contract purchase, or PCP, allows you to
The bed here, cabins all this way, and one window from this side. Here no window, 2 pockets, and here nothing. One small cabin here. Ah, it's for the table. Okay. Here access to the garage. Oh no, it's internal wardrobe. Very nice.
Refined interiors and enhanced practicality. Across all vans and coach-built models, you'll now find
Very nice.
solar panels, soft close storage, and new interior finishes like San Marco wood. Expedition adds clever new layouts, and the budget-beating Expedition 54, while V-Line SE and Sport gain improved storage and panel view as standard.
Big here, there, big sky window, very beautiful. Here all the details. You can expand the cooking area.
With exclusive savings, free tech upgrades, and premium packs available only during the AUC show.
And the very big garage in the back, both sides access.
Giving you a total saving of £748.
Hello.
Both the XL and F-Line ranges now include the free driver's pack worth £1,975, packed with the premium features AUTOTRAIL customers love most. For Imala models, we're including the free media pack worth £1,595, giving you the best in entertainment and connectivity. And if you're after ultimate comfort and luxury, the Frontier range now comes